Welcome to the Center for Wooden Boats. The Center for Wooden Boats is a splash of fun for the whole family.
There are two ways of describing our environment. One is we want people to feel that they're walking back in time to a place on the shore of a lake that was undeveloped and has a community center, a place where everybody feels comfortable and everybody feels that they can have fun as well as learn something that they never knew before.
We offer tons of fun classes, lectures, and activities for people of all ages. Experience boat building workshops.
We offer a lot of different boat building classes here. You can take a class in lofting to the very finished stages of a boat, where you're learning how to paint, where you're learning how to varnish. You know, there's not just a canned experience, there's not just one thing that you can do here. You can come back and experience the center in many different ways.
Learn to build, restore, and carve wooden boats from a master carver. Come take sailing lessons and learn to sail comfortably on your own. Learn about maritime heritage. With almost 100 new and historical boats and ships to explore, the Center for Wooden Boats is the perfect place for a field trip.
I think that's one of the valuable things about the Center for Wooden Boats is that we create a place where anyone can come down and get access to the water.
Come join us for a free weekend boat ride. Rent a boat or cruise through our wonderful gift shop. Take a day off and stroll along the docks. Watch the lake as the clouds and boats go by.
I hope everybody that hasn't come to the Center for Wooden Boats does. I think they'll find it a unique experience, and we hope that they tell all their friends about it.
Sail on by to the Center for Wooden Boats. Start your adventure today.